My name is Miss Melissa and I'm an outreach services specialist here at Fountaindale Public Library, and today I am going to show you how to make Silly Putty using 2 ingredients. All you need is
Do you even wear glasses?
No, I thought these would make me look smarter.
Well, it's having the opposite effect on you.
Really? As I was saying, all you need is 2 ingredients: dish soap and cornstarch. You're going to need a mixing bowl, a spoon to stir all your ingredients, 1/3 cup, and 1/4 cup. Now, the color of your dish soap will determine the color of your Silly Putty. So I'm using green dish soap. So what color is my Silly Putty gonna be?
Green.
That's right. So, let's see. We're gonna take our cornstarch. We need 1/3 cup. Forget about it. We need 1/3 cup cornstarch, 1/4 cup dish soap. So squeeze, 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 squeeze. Pour it in. All right. And then take our spoon and mix everything together. So we're mixing, mixing, mixing. Mix, 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 mix. Now, if your mixture is too dry, you can add a little bit more soap. If it's too wet, add a little bit more cornstarch. Just play with it. All right, let's see what we have here. It's still a little tacky, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more cornstarch. Just add a little bit at a time. Mix, 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 mix. And I think I'm gonna get dirty now. I'm going right in. I'm mixing. Okay, it's not too bad. Getting to the consistency that I want it. You want to keep kneading it, just mixing it together until you get it to how you like it. I'm gonna just put a little bit more cornstarch. There we go. Starting to like how it feels. And look at that. You now have your very own Silly Putty. Isn't that cool? Enjoy. If you would like to store your Silly Putty, all you need to do is put it in a ziploc bag, and it should last about 1 or 2 days. If it dries out on you, put a little bit of dish soap and it should come back to life.